Hello, my name is Ari and today we're going to see a PSU from Kolink. Within a short period, the Kolink PSUs managed to leave a good impression in the EU market thanks to their good performance payback or Euro scores. The people behind Kolink PSUs seem to know very well what they are doing, and their top priority is to offer the highest possible performance while keeping the production cost low in order to be able to keep under tight control the price tags. Given the mining craziness and the huge demand for strong PSUs, it was only natural for Kolink to release a powerful PSU featuring 1500 watt capacity and some other features while make it ideal for miners. The Kolink KL-C1500PL is based on an enhanced electronics platform, and besides fully modular cable design, it also features semi-passive operation and a single plus 12-volt rail. Efficiency-wise, it is 80 plus platinum certified, and in the cybernetic scale, it scores ETA-A and LAMBDA-S standard, efficiency and noise certification respectively. Since this PSU model was designed with mining in mind, it uses a double ball bearing fan, which is ideal for tough conditions like the ones that the majority of high-capacity mining PSUs will be called to face. Fluid hydrodynamic fans might make less noise, however their lifetime takes a huge hit under high operating temperatures above 35 Celsius, since their lubricant quickly evaporates. The 1500 watt Kolink PSU lacks a power cable, since miners usually prefer to use their own cables. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. It's a heavy package to start with. This is the manual's instruction, and it is in 6 languages. These are cables and accessories. Heavy as well. Thumb screws and plain screws, and these seem to be all ribbon style cables with stealth wires. Let's go to the PSU. It's very well packed inside a packing foam, and the PSU is inside a plastic bag. It's heavy. Its dimensions are normal to compact. It has a glossy finish, so we might be able to see some fingerprints from now and then. And this is the honeycomb exhaust grill, no power switch. This is the power specification label, and here is the modular panel with some stickers, and they seem to be identical, so make sure not to mess with the EPS and PCI cables, because probably the PSU won't work otherwise. These are some ignitions with the Kolink name and the model name, and this is the fan. It's a 140 diameter fan. It has a it uses a double ball bearing. And okay, the chassis is not something to be wow, but after all, it's a PSU. It has 5 years warranty. That's about it. So, thank you for watching.